Hey guys, so I just wanted to ask you guys a question. Now, what do you do with your bolts once you lost all your fletchings? Now, obviously I've had like 48 bolts plus some more, but I've ended up losing my fletchings on over half of them. And I wanted to know if I could actually fire them. So I fired one, and it went out okay, not far off the target. So then I loaded up 8 in the magazine, and they seem to have fired all right. So I'm going to show you guys, that you can still basically use your bolts as long as they're all in there without no flexions, and you're not aiming like, you're not going for bullseye every time, but you can still get some shots off, so they're not completely useless and completely dead. So it's going like normal. They're actually quicker to load. Yeah, boom. Rock and roll. It. All out. As you can see, I've done a fair old good job there. And this is how far away I was shooting. So bearing in mind, I'm shooting from over here. That's got no fletchings on it, guys. I think that's pretty accurate considering. Anyways, that was just a random video, guys, so I appreciate you watching. Just make sure you do things safely. That's the most important thing. Anyway, look after yourself, guys. Bless.